So in this video, I'm going to talk about why we target long tail keywords. In this video, we will learn what are the benefits of using long tail keywords instead of using short tail keywords. Hello friends, I'm Shivani Goel. Welcome in WsCube Tech. So let's start with the reasons why we focus on long tail keywords. The first reason is it helps you optimize for semantic, conversational and voice search. Your long tail keyword will help you in semantic, conversational and voice search. Long tail keywords have high conversion rate. Long tail keywords are not that competitive as comparison to your short tail keywords. So these are the reasons why you should focus on long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are not that competitive. If you compare your long tail keywords with your short tail keywords, so your long tail keywords are not that competitive. Why? Because in case of long tail keywords, you will explain your query in a summarized form. For example, if I'm saying in terms of your long tail keyword, this is the example here. For example, a short tail keyword here is link building. And if you simply type on the Google link building, and here you can see that we have this much result available for this particular keyword. And now in terms of long tail keyword, for example, this is my long tail keyword here. And here you can see that we have only this much result available here. So that's why we can say that this is not as much competitive as comparison to your short tail keyword. The same idea also applies to your Google AdWords part. In case of you are doing Google AdWords keyword research, in that case you can also consider it, because in case of long tail keywords, that can be cheaper to fit on than super popular hacker. Long tail keywords have high conversion rates. People that search for the long tail term tends to be much further along in the buying cycle compared to false searching for head terms. Long tail keywords have high conversion rate. I'm also explaining this with the help of this particular example here. Here you can see that we can just take an example of this particular keyword, that is keto diet. So someone searching for keto diet is probably trying to learn what it is, or you can say that we can't justify what exactly your user wants to know about it or how it works, which means they are not ready to buy anything. But if your user is searching keto diet supplement, in that case, your user is searching for the longer version of that term, is much closer to making a purchase. So that's also the difference between your short term and the long term here. And your long tail keywords have high conversion rate. You can explain this by this particular example. So the result is the traffic that you get from the long tail term tends to convert really well. It helps you optimize for the semantic, conversational and voice search. When these users query these platforms, they use long tail keyword phrase. What are the best sushi restaurants nearby? So this kind of query, your user is using long tail keyword. And commands with a clear intent. Commands means compare the price of the dress from blush and cherry bills. That is one of the example here. Here you can see that user is putting some command here. And also in the case of the voice search, if you simply click on the voice search option and you simply say something, your query, if you say your query, in that case also you are using long tail keyword here. So this is one of the graph which indicates that your long tail keywords have high conversion here and low search volume here. So we have low search volume and high conversion, which predict the intent behind the naturally spoken in the voice searches. Now let's summarize benefit of the long tail keywords. That is, long tail keywords give higher rank for the competitions. It is easy to target. In case of personalization, you can simply use voice search and simply put your query there. Best in terms of the niche content. PPC network. In case of PPC network, it helps you to choose a long tail keywords having a lower bid amount. So this is one of the benefits of your long tail keywords here. So this is all about why we should target long tail keywords. So thank you so much for watching this video.